G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. The time is 9:22 in the morning. Now I'm just on my way down to the beach where I came across this. I gave some food out and as soon as I turned my back, we've got an Eastern Rosella, sorry not Eastern Rosella, Crimson Rosella here. Actually two of them. You can see the one in the tree there, slowly making his way down. Could have put some more water into the bird bath too. Beautiful bird, these ones. I'm happy I'm getting a good shot here as well. There we go, there's other one's coming up the tree. Let's see if we can get... Yep. Magpies. What do you expect, eh? Can't do much about those, can you, mate? This one here went in this tree. Beautiful. Oh well, there's another little bird feeder there. I got bird feed and this magpie just going to be annoying. We scatter some bird feed onto the ground. Oh well, hope you like this little video. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm tried to get out of bed early, but just couldn't get out of bed. I wanted to catch that mist. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now. Try to get a pigeon to... pigeon was going to fly off. Anyway, thank you again for watching.